I just watched my dog meet a robot vacuum for the first time, and I've never seen him more confused in his entire life. At first, he just froze, like his brain was trying to process what this weird moving disc even was. Then he started doing this low growl, half scared, half ready to protect the house from this invader. But the best part was when the vacuum turned toward him and he literally jumped backwards like it was chasing him. Now he just follows it around the house like he's supervising, making sure it doesn't get out of line.